The task manager is an extension on this collaborative running of protocols. It is a functionality that allows you to distribute work among members of a team. Every workspace comes with a task that I can select and I can move. And you have a list or a calendar view of all the tasks that you are developing and running. For the month of October, I just have one task that is already closed. To create a task, you can just select create a new task, or you can double click on the calendar. We can add a title to this task, which is going to contain today's date. You can add a description to the tag. This is an open task. And let's say that this is a task that is going to start tomorrow on the 22nd. It's a task that is going to last 2 days. And I can also add a due date. And I can start assigning colleagues to this task. So I can invite my colleague Lenny to join this task, as well as my colleague Alberto. I can also add protocols to the task, but I will show that in a little bit, not right now. I can save the task. And now if I go back, I can see that I created a task which is open. I can list the task and see the tasks that are open, the colleagues participating in that task, the task that is in progress, and the tasks that are closed. And I can view the list, the calendar view, and just see the tasks that are open. I can reopen my task, and I can now start adding protocols to that task. Let's say I'm going to use in this task the protocol that is a 2-day protocol. So I can start searching protocols. And you might recall that this is a 2-day protocol. Steps 1 to 4 are done, performed on day 1, and steps 5 to 21 are performed on day 2. So I can start adding assignees to this specific protocol. So let's say that I'm going to ask Alberto to run steps 1 to 4. And then Lenny is going to finish the protocol on the following day from steps 5 to 21. So I have distributed the protocol between my two colleagues. Every action that I take, and when they are assigned to the protocol, they will receive a notification. So they can log in, come, they can open the protocol, and start performing the experiment whenever it was scheduled. Tomorrow, we can change the status as in progress. And if I go back to the calendar view, I will see that if I select the protocols in progress, I will see this protocol that will start tomorrow. If I select all again, I will see the one that was closed last week and the one that will be in progress starting tomorrow. So now you can collaboratively run a protocol between 2 or more people, and you can also design tasks for your team to develop not only one, but more than one protocol in a specific task.